morning, students. So, yesterday in solution we discussed about some portion of solutions. So that is concentration terms. Concentration terms. Concentration terms. Concentration terms. In concentration terms, all concentration terms of any solution is defined with respect to the solute. Remember this point, it is very important. All concentration terms defined. All concentration terms will define with respect to the solute. So, what are the concentration terms? First one, mass percentage. So it is, you can say as percentage weight by weight. Then value percentage is also denoted as percentage value by value. Next, mass value percentage. Percentage of weight by value. The next one comes ppm. The next, in ppm also there will be value weight by percentage weight by value, percentage value by value, percentage weight by value. So next will be molarity. Next concentration term, molarity. The next one is molality. Difference will be there. Molarity, mole fraction, next one, normality. Next, formality. So these are the some concentration terms which we are using to express the amount of solute in the solution. The amount of solute in the solution. What are the concentration terms? Mass percentage, value percentage, mass value percentage, ppm. ppm is part per million. Next, molarity, mole fraction. Normality, formality. So these two are not there in your syllabus, but so it is very important for knowing purpose. So these three terms are very important for your syllabus: molarity, mole fraction. Now we will discuss in detail. First one, mass percentage So that is denoted by weight by weight. Weight by weight. So it is, what is the definition? Percentage weight by weight is equal to weight of solute in grams, weight of solute in grams by total mass of the solution. Total mass of the solution. Total mass of the solution. So this is the definition for the mass percentage. For example, we have a 10 grams of glucose. 10 grams of glucose in a solution. For example, 10 grams of glucose. 10 grams of glucose. 10 grams of glucose in a solution. 10 grams of solution. So what is the mass percentage? What is the mass percentage of glucose? How you will tell? So 10 grams of glucose means 10 grams of glucose dissolved in 80 grams of water. 80 grams of water results 100 grams of solution. 100 grams of solution, glucose solution. Then how much mass percentage of glucose? 10 grams. 10 grams. So glucose is a solute and water is a solvent. So the concentration term mass percentage with respect to the solute only. So 10 grams of glucose solution. It means, what does it mean? 10 grams of glucose dissolved in 80 grams of water results 100 grams of water solution. 100 grams of glucose solution. So next one, volume percentage. This is mass percentage. Next we got weight value percentage. Second one, volume percentage. Volume percentage. So it is denoted by percentage value by value. Percentage value by value. It is defined as percentage value by value is equal to volume of the solute, upon volume of solution. Volume of solution into 100. So this is about volume percentage. Next will come third one, volume mass percentage. So this is denoted by weight by percentage, weight by value. It is defined as percentage weight by value is equal to is equal to weight of solute by volume of solution into 100. So this is volume percentage and this one is volume mass percentage. Next very important concentration term, that is molarity. Very important concentration term, so that is molarity. So it is denoted by capital M. Molarity denoted by capital M. What is the definition? The number of moles. The number of moles of solute. Number of moles of solute per liter. Per liter is 1000 ml. Per liter. The number of moles of solute dissolved in per liter volume of a solution is called molarity. Very important definition. What is the definition of molarity? The number of moles of solute dissolved in per liter volume of a solution is called molarity. Okay, it is denoted by a letter capital M. Okay, next molarity is equal to capital M is equal to moles of solute by per liter volume of a solution. Volume of solution in liters. It is number of moles, it is denoted by small n. Volume of solution B in liters. Now you must find out how many number of moles are there. For this, number of moles n is equal to weight of solute by molar mass of the solute. Weight of the solute, number of moles is equal to, what is the formula? Weight of solute by molar mass of solute. Weight of solute is equal to W. Molar mass is equal to MO. W by this is equal to W by MO. So in liter means you must multiply with 1000 MO into volume of the solution. Volume of the solution in liters. So this is the final formula of the molarity. So what is the definition for the molarity? The number of moles of solute, dissolved in per liter volume of a solution is called molarity. Molarity M is equal to, what is the formula? Moles of solute by volume of a solution per liter. So now we have to find out how many number of moles. Moles is equal to weight of solute by molar mass of the solute. So weight is equal to W, molar mass of solute is equal to MO or M0. So that is the, now we will get final formula of molarity. W into 1000. Here 1000 means 1000 ml. Why? Because here we are taking a liter. Liter means we have to multiply with 1000. 1 liter is equal to 1000 ml. Now this is molar mass and volume of the solution. How much we will take. So this is about the molarity. It is very important. So once again I will tell the definition of the molarity. The number of moles of solute dissolved in per liter volume of solution is called molarity. Molarity is equal to moles of solute by volume of solution. Next we will take one example problem to better understand molarity. Calculate problem. Calculate the molarity of sodium hydroxide or molarity of a solution containing 5 grams of NaOH, containing 5 grams of NaOH, 5 grams of NaOH in 450 ml of solution. Here what is it? Solute 5 grams of NaOH in solution, 450 ml of solution. So this is solvent and that is solute. We have to find out how much molarity will be there in the solution. Molarity of solute. Now what is the formula of molarity? Molarity is equal to M. Capital M is equal to moles of solute by volume of solution. Here how much moles of solute is N by V. So you have to find number of moles. For this N is equal to W by MO. So weight of the solute how much given? 5 grams. 5 grams important concept. Molar mass of sodium hydroxide. Sodium molecular weight is equal to 23 grams. Oxygen molecular weight is equal to atomic weight is equal to 16. Hydrogen atomic weight is equal to 1. Total how much it will come? 40 grams. 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. 40 grams of, okay, how much it will come? 0.125 moles. 0.125 moles. Now n is equal to how much? 0.125 moles. Now the main formula of n is equal to W into 1000 by molar mass of solute into volume of the solution in liters. So here value will be given in ml. That's why we are multiply with 1000. So this we will know about 0.125 into 1000 by 450 ml. Finally, the answer is 0.278 moles. So this is the molarity of solution. Molarity of solution. Okay. So next we'll discuss in next class.